Hi, Mom. I thought we could have a cup of tea together and I could show you how my potting shed turned out. It just turned out so cute. Look, Mom, here's the Charlie. Very happy. I got it to root. Look at that. I'm gonna use it for starting stuff. So all of these are starts. They're all in water, but I think it's a good spot because it's warmer in here and I can come in and mist it. It's been a month. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. Get ready to make 2 really nice pots of this beautiful Charlie. Thank you. There's like videos on all the stuff that I've made. Oh, I love her. The curtain tie backs, those turned out so cute. And here's the sweet little succulent that you gave me. I got this one to root too. Just about to transplant it. I recently found an old photo album where I took pictures of when you guys first built or converted the little potting shed for me. I just love it so. It's been through a couple of modifications. This is the second one. My, how it's changed. would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together.